Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonessoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. So for a meatzza, I've got my ground meat, my beef, you could use chicken if you wanted to actually, 2 eggs, 100 grams of almond meal, so 3.5 ounces, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of fine salt. And then I find the best way to do this is just with your hand, but you could use a spoon if you don't, of course clean hands. So we're just going to mix it all through. Then I just got a tray, I've lined it with baking paper. It's really important to line your tray because otherwise it's going to stick. And then you just want to use your hands again to roll it, push it out into kind of some sort of pizza shape. And I like to make a little bit of an edge, just so it looks a bit prettier, but it's up to you. So into a circle, about 30 centimeters round. Great, so when you've got your meatzza all rolled out, then we're going to do our toppings. So I've got just a small head of broccoli that I've just steamed or boiled for 5 minutes. I chopped it into florets and then boiled it and drained it, and then just let it cool down. So I've got broccoli, and then I've got my mozzarella. So I'm just using baby bocconcini that I've just torn a bit so that it gets better coverage and it melts more evenly. So you want about 100 grams, which is 3.5 ounces. And then once that's on, you just you can put other cheese on it as well if you like, and then just bake it in the oven. I've got super hot, so 250C, which is 480F, for around 10 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer. So pizza's been in for 10 minutes, and you can see it's cheese has started to melt. If you want your cheese more melted, you could put it in for another 10. It's brown around the edges, so it's looking pretty good. And you get this kind of watery stuff coming out. I think that's just from the meat. So I usually just pat that up with some paper towel, and then we're good to slice and serve. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonessoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.